Happy Friday, everyone. Well, a warm front this morning, so we're actually in for a decent warm-up this afternoon in northwest Indiana, but it's going to be short-lived because already late tonight, another cold front is coming in, and we're in for a big change in temperatures in the wrong direction for Saturday. So let's get to all the details in your weekend forecast. Sponsored by NIPSCO. Got to start with 8 a.m. this morning because I do have to mention isolated showers this morning as the warm front works over us. Some are going to miss out, but others will encounter a little bit of rain. It is a possibility as you're driving to work or school this morning that you might encounter a little bit of rain. Got to mention the chance. I do think, though, by 11 a.m., the rain chance coming to an end because that warm front will be clear of us and temperatures on the rise. Also, behind the warm front, it's already breezy out there this morning, but it's going to get windy. We are going to be seeing wind gusts this afternoon around 35 miles per hour. So I do have to mention, though, we are going to be warming. Here we are in the mid to upper 40s at 4 o'clock, not feeling quite this warm because of those wind gusts around 35 miles per hour. Notice 4 o'clock, lots of clouds, but no rain showing up. How about 8 o'clock this evening? Still a lot of clouds, but still no rain. And notice how we might even warm a little bit more. So temperatures only rising even after the sun sets. We're probably going to be transitioning to more of us being in the upper 40s. So actually got to warm for this time of year. And temporarily the winds are going to come down this evening. But I do have to say temporarily. So 8 o'clock it's going to be breezy, gust 20, 25 miles per hour. But late tonight, once the cold front arrives, the winds are going to be picking right back up. And it looks like that cold front is going to be right over us about 1 a.m. tonight. So it's good news if you're going to be out early tonight. Doesn't look like there's going to be any rain around. But if you're going to be out late, midnight, 1, 2 a.m., yes, a period of scattered showers in the region with this cold front and those winds picking back up. But let's keep an eye on temperatures here. So at 1 a.m., still not too bad, right? Upper 40s. But by 3 a.m., the front is going to be clear of us. So the rain chance coming to an end. And look how temperatures transitioning to the mid to low 40s. But when we jump ahead to 7 a.m. Saturday morning, look what's happened. Now we're going to be in the mid to upper 20s. And this is when the strongest winds are going to be. This is when winds are going to be gusting around 40 miles per hour. So it is not going to be feeling this warm. It is going to be feeling like the teens early Saturday morning. So what about Saturday afternoon? Well, again, keep an eye on temperatures. So this is 7 a.m. Saturday morning. And then look at what we're expecting Saturday afternoon. Barely warming up at all. We're only talking about high temperatures, even with sunny skies in the low 30s. Now, the strongest winds are going to be in the morning. That's when those gusts are going to be around 40 miles per hour. And as we go through the day on Saturday, winds will be gradually decreasing, but it is going to be very gradual. So for most of the day, winds are going to be gusting 30, 35 miles per hour, including when we're hitting our high temperatures in the early afternoon. So look what it's going to be feeling like early Saturday afternoon. It's not going to be feeling like the low 30s. It's not going to be feeling any warmer than the low 20s Saturday afternoon. So this is what you need to be prepared for. So what about Saturday night? Can we get rid of the wind? Unfortunately, not completely, though we will continue to see improvement. Winds are only going to be around 10 to 15 miles per hour for Saturday night. So a light breeze, that's still enough for a wind chill factor. So these are our low temperatures. So we're going to have mostly clear skies, and most of us are going to cool down into the mid to upper teens, maybe right next to the lake, around 20 degrees. But when you factor in those winds, 10 to 15 miles per hour, it's going to be feeling a little bit colder. It's going to be feeling like the low to mid-teens for Saturday night. Now some good news for Sunday. Our temperatures going back up, actually just a little bit below normal for this time of year. We're going to be probably topping out around 40 degrees in most spots. Some might get stuck around 39 degrees, mostly sunny skies. But the winds picking back up again. In the afternoon on Sunday, winds are going to be gusting around 30 miles per hour, so not feeling quite that warm. You still got to take about 10 degrees off our temperatures. It's only going to be feeling around the low 30s or even the upper 20s Sunday afternoon.